The best part of working here is everything, really. My story is, I graduated high school in 2006. I was a little behind when I graduated, but I stuck in there and graduated. And I attended Bossier Parish Community College for about a year. School wasn't for me. Then took a temporary part-time job as a stock associate at a retail clothing store. That job turned into a full-time upper management job. When COVID hit, we got furloughed. From that point, I didn't really know what I was going to do. I had the opportunity to get an interview at Store Services. A week later, I got an acceptance letter. A whole new ball game, a whole new ball game. And I love it. Not only does Store offer us the NCCR apprenticeship program, but we also work while we learn. We're earning money while we're learning the ropes of HVAC. Our tuition's free, our tools are provided for us, our uniforms are provided for us. They even offer us laptops so we can attend our classes virtually. There's absolutely no out-of-pocket expense. We are 100% covered. This company is all about their employees, their well-being. If you're in need, they're there for you. It makes me feel very comfortable. We have a lot of freedom and we're not micromanaged. Almost like you are your own boss. Now that I work with my hands, I have a lot more energy. I feel alive again. Working at Store Services, you never know what you're going to come into on a day-to-day basis. I wouldn't work for another company ever again unless I had to. They believed in me. Not many people did. If you're thinking about going into the trade industry, definitely give trade a shot. You wouldn't be let down, especially the HVAC industry, because we live in Louisiana. It's hot. This job security is there. It's not going anywhere. If anything, we're growing and getting bigger and making things better.